My name is Tyreece Bailey, and the week's been fantastic. Like genuinely, to me, I've described it as life changing.
And what have you learned in this 4 days?
A lot that I didn't know. Put it that way. For me to be able to stand there and actually think about what I learned. Like the most interesting thing I've learned is the lease option agreement. So when I was coming here, I really didn't pay no attention to them. I was solely focused on BRRR, and then I came here and it was completely eye opening to like almost like a whole new world of opportunities.
And what's your plan now moving forward?
My plan now is after as soon as we leave here is to start selling my first deals and hopefully look for some deals that I can pursue myself. That's the immediate plan, and hopefully quit work as well sometime soon.
And what's it been like being around like mentors and Samuel?
Fantastic, eye opening. Like every conversation I've had with a mentor has made me think I know something to start out with. Halfway through the conversation, I'm like, oh, I know nothing. These guys are really good.
Right. And what would you say to someone who's looking to get involved in property?
Just do it. Just send it. Just what have you got to lose? We're already broke. Just get it done. Just
What about this environment? Would this be somewhere that would help?
yeah, this environment, it's a catalyst. It's any ideas you have before you come in. When you come here, they just start taking off. It really, it just accelerates the process drastically because your mind just opens up.
What's it like seeing deals being made in the room on the day?
Like exciting. Like you sat there watching it and you think, bloody hell, that could be me. That could be me. And for someone coming from nothing, like when you see someone pull that deal in, it's like, wow, they've just done something that I'd consider life changing.